Good morning from Gallup, New Mexico. I thought you'd like to see this, if you can. It's so cold, my phone won't charge. And I've got a error light about coolant in my car. Holy cow, it is cold. It is so cold. This is not good. So today, I'm going to be installing one HD4 and one Balance 710, and then tomorrow I'll install another HD4. But I'm hoping to get them both installed today because then I could start heading to California. My name is Peter West and I'm on the Conquer the Switch tour in Gallup, New Mexico, and I will be driving to Fort Defiance, Arizona this morning. Check out this gorgeous view today. And it is cold. It is about 15 degrees outside and I am freezing. And so thank you for joining me on this journey and let's get going. We got our equipment in. So now we're gonna program it all because it's freaking freezing outside and test it. So we've programmed it. Static IP and internal IP is all programmed. Updated the firmware, gonna mount the ears and then gonna install it in the rack. So we're here at the medical unit. Nice and cold. We're gonna install the antenna up there. But first we gotta figure out where we're gonna put it inside. So what I do is I take this and I drill it down in and make a hole. Now I'm gonna do another hole about a foot away from it. Well, about 2 feet away, so that the two antennas will fit through. And then I'm gonna glue them down. Beautiful. Now, take the antenna and you feed it through the hole. I just gotta let the glue settle. A little view here from the roof of the vehicle. My car. See my Conquer the Switch tour. I'm gonna give away some shirts today. This is the mobile clinic. Here's our amplifiers and our antennas and our HD4 connected. So one done, one more to go. Bust, here's your shirt. Heck yeah. Hey, hey, it's bust number 2. Gonna install these antennas. There's in the emergency room bay here. Kind of cool. So let's get started. So I am up on the roof. I've got the antennas installed. And so now I'm just giving some weight on them until they seal. So it takes 24 hours to harden, and it's kind of awkward at a hospital standing up. They all left. It's after 5 their time, so. But cool view from up here. You can see in the rafters. There's my glue. There's my ladder. My security guy. So I'm on bus number 2. Their IT rack was kind of a mess, but I've got my amplifiers installed. The HD4 set up, so I'm just waiting for the cellular to activate. Got the antennas mounted on the roof. Gotta put the roof back on, but 2 HD4s and a Balance 710 in one day. Off to San Diego, California is next. I got a job there Friday, so I'll be installing some switches, Balance 1 core, and 11 access points. So, okay, well, you have a great evening, and if anything happens, I will.